What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today we're going to be flying around with our drone and showing you guys this brand new community that is closing out. It's by the Taylor Morrison. We're at the community down in Sohay Prime, down in Hayward, California. And we toured a couple property here in this site and just want to give you guys a quick update about this area. So guys, this area, and they have two homes left. They're condos, and they are a 2 bedroom, 2.5 bath. And we've toured it on our site. And if you want to check it out, go ahead and check it out. But as you continue to fly here, we'll see that on the right side, there is a BART station that moved back and forth. When we enter inside the house and toward the community and toward the site, you can't hear the noise, but when you go outside, you'll hear it. Right there, you'll see a golf course where you can, hang out and enjoy the outdoor area. This area, guys, when we drive, to the community, it's pretty diverse, and there's a whole mix of culture here. We have different type of cuisines and everything, and the bedrooms and the bathroom and the condos that we toured, it's about 1,491 square feet. It has a nice patio and everything. But ideally, what I want to do here is just kind of give you guys an overview of just the area and give you guys the overview of what we see and just some of the stuff that you guys might want to know about it. So guys, currently right now we're in the zip code 94544, and this zip code, guys, has been pretty good. It's been increasing about on average 7.2% year over year. So there's a strong demand for homes and in this area, and price has been going up within the last couple of years in this area, about 7.2%. So it's been going up pretty fast. On average, guys, homes in this area will receive multiple offers, and it kind of go off market after about 14 days. So if you're thinking about selling, it's going to take about 14 days to get rid of your property. Which is a really good thing. Normally on an average market, it should take about a month or two to actually sell it. But something that we notice while driving in this area is that inventory has been increasing in this area, specifically for like 3 bedrooms, 2 bath type of homes in this area, because there's a lot of condos, a lot of townhouses are being developed here in this area. There is older commercial buildings that are being renovated and being torn down to build apartments in here. So, there's going to be an increase in inventory in the near future. So if you're a buyer, think about buying, it's a good time to buy, especially for these condos. So there's a lot of outdoor stuff that you guys can enjoy here. And it's really close to parks like Garden Regional Parks, and there's a lot of trails and outdoor activities here. So it's something that you might want to explore while living here. There's a lot of like cultural, like theater, museums, and festivals, and it's very close and it's walkable to all area. There's big shopping centers nearby, and everything you need to kind of like explore and enjoy while living in the Bay Area. They do have some move-in ready homes. There's 2 left, and you guys can watch it in our playlist. But yeah, no, it's a beautiful market. It's a beautiful community, and the area is super competitive. And some of the things that you might want to consider is that real estate is a supply and demand, and there's only 2 units left in this building, so it's completely sold out. There's only 2 left, so the market in the community is stabilized. There is a park down there, as you can see. We just flew down to the Starbucks area, which is really close to a Starbucks. I think you can walk it's about a 5-minute walk to a next near Starbucks, and there are new community developed right there too, in that site right there that we've flew around. Um, but yeah, it's, what we notice while looking at this is that we understand that interest rate hedges recently went down, and it's going to affect the whole market. So if you're thinking about investing in a property, definitely consider investing in this area because the price range is very well reasonable, compared to all we've seen in the Bay Area. And normally in the Bay Area, we see it roughly around 1.3 to 1.7 or even 1.2 for a townhouse. But over here, we're looking at around 800,000. We've seen some condos for 600,000, two bedroom, two bath, and it ranges to about 900,000. So it's a very reasonable price, and it's a very desirable area. It's very close by to all the Bay Area, so definitely something to consider. But yeah, if you guys like this type of stuff, do check out our other playlists. And we're flying around, and it looks like on the bottom right there, you'll see that those are land that is owned by a private owner, and what you'll see is they'll probably develop that piece of land in the future. But anyways, just want to shoot this video and show you guys around our thought process while touring the Sohay community. Hopefully, hopefully you guys like this type of stuff. This is James, and James and Mariz on real estate. We're going to be signing out, guys. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Peace and love. Hey guys, are you ready to take the first step toward home ownership? Book your free appointment now and jump on our Google/Zoom meeting calendar at buywithpham.com and start your home buying journey and learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more when buying. We'll go over all the programs that are available for you for first-time home buyer, teachers, doctors, police officers, and all the programs out there that can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. So we're now serving the Bay Area, all of Northern California. Also, we have partner agents in all of Central Valley, Southern California, including Irvine's Orange County, along with Portland, Oregon. If you're looking to save a ton of money when it comes to buying, jump on our calendar, go to buywithpham.com, and we'll go over all the programs out there that can help you save quite a bit. All right, guys, look forward to helping you out. Peace and love. Are you a real estate agent that is tired of wasting your time hosting open houses, doing door knocking, and cold calling for leads? We created free training on how you can add an extra $343,000 in profit a year consistently by selling new construction homes using system, automations, and internet marketing in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in your real estate business. Even if you're a brand new agent with little marketing budget or nobody knows who you are, all you need to do is register the link below and we'll send you the new construction class training along with the text system and email system that we currently have. Here's what you'll learn in the new construction class training: how to find your niche and position yourself as an expert in your local market so then you can be popular and dominate your competition. You'll also learn how to get an endless stream of online lead chasing you down daily. You'll also learn how to automate your business and get the best sales agent in your market to prospect leads and generate sales for you 24/7 without ever complaining, leaving you, or taking a break. We're looking for a couple of agents that we can help grow their real estate business by helping them bring their real estate business using the internet. All you need to do is click on this link and register down below, and we'll send you the new construction class training. Peace and love.